Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change display orientation in Windows 10. So if you would like to do it, first we need to change position of our cursor to the left down corner, and then we need to click right mouse button on start icon. After that we need to go to settings. Here we have system, display, sound notification and power settings. We need to open this one bookmark, and now from left panel we need to select the display. Here we need to scroll down and find the display orientation settings. On default it is set to landscape, so we need to click here and then we will be able to change it to any other option. For example, I select here portrait and you will see the preview of this change. If you would like to save change, you need to select here keep change, but if you would like to revert, you need to click revert or wait some seconds. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to check links in description.